Yoo-hoo! Time for a package from China! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Super Mario multi-game card for the N64. This is one of the first multi-game cards, and no, this is not a cheating card with an SD slot. It's a real multi-game card, the real deal. A little shout out to Multicard Girl, because she's the one who sent it to me to review. And no, I just borrowed it, and yes, she bought it from China, so it's basically a package from China. So that's the reason why I used the package from China intro. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of packing, being very gentle. Alright, so let's take a close look at the cartridge itself, and I'm going to be honest with you, this thing looks amazing. I really like it. If you look at the cartridge itself, I like the transparent, and I know some of you also like this, and I think that is really cool. And oh my god, they are freaking naughty, because they have used the Nintendo decal in it. The sticker itself, as you can see, is very high quality, a little bit glossy. And let's take a close look at the front. And as you can see, it has 18 games, but the weirdest, this is so weird. Why did they choose for 8-bit games? That is so weird. But okay, we're going to do a little bit of testing. Very curious how it's going to work. It even have the little shielding over the cartridge, the cover at the bottom. Very cool, very nice. So it looks very cool, and for collecting, or for a collector like the Multi Game Collector, I think this is really cool. Okay. There is no box, there is no manual, this is what you're going to get. Let's have some fun. I just want to point out, if you want to use this card on a PAL system, you're going to need to have a converter. These cards are not region free, and they are only for the other market, no, not for the PAL market. A little bit of a bummer, but alright, maybe in the future. Maybe in the future they will come. But alright, let's take a close look at the menu itself. So indeed, we have a Mario Party 1, 2 and 3 on the first list. And that all the other games are just basically 8-bit games. Oh. There is no sound in the menu, or I'm guessing there is no sound. Is there sound? Wait. Oh, no, there is no sound. But okay, there are some Mario games on it. Gradius, Rockman and 6. A very weird choice of games. But okay. First, let's test Mario Party. Alright, so it seems we have some technical difficulties because it's rebooting all the time. It's booting up the game, but now it's working. Yeah, does it work? It's possible because of the game that I'm using, the original PAL game, but this time it's booting a little bit further, but as you can see, nothing happens at the moment. Okay, people, this is not good. Alright, so the NES game seems to be working. I'm playing NES games on an N64. It's going back in the prehistoric time like this game. Yep. And it's glitching out. Alright, so I cleaned everything up, and it still doesn't have the effect I want to have, because it boots up the games, but at the end it's not let me play. Because I'm getting N64 screen, getting some other information, and then it's just gone. If there's a problem with the card, is it a problem with N64 passport? I'm guessing passport, because now this thing is working. Okay, that is really some weird stuff. And as you can see, it just rebooted again. I'm guessing N64 passport can be very useful for, let's say, just a single all region game, but not very good if you want to play a multi-game card, and it's just basically stuck now on this thing. I tried a couple of games clean them all up, but the effect is all the same. Okay, let's just try another NES game. Let's see what happens. Beside the point, it's just rebooting sometime. The NES game seems to be working. When I'm pressing the reset button, I'm guessing I'm getting now the menu of the NES. Oh, it's resetting to the main menu. Okay, that's really cool. So, Mario Party 1, it's booting up until it needs to get the entire screen and nothing works. Mario Party 2, we're going to test it out again. And 3, it's booting up to the entire screen, but just get a reset. Okay, we're going to try Mario Party 2 again. And nothing happens at all this time. So if this is an N64 passport problem or this is the card itself, I have really no clue. Let's try Mario Party 3 again. Alright. Alright. Is that the point I'm going? The point I'm... Get the music. It even has a save file, so that's really cool. So far so good. So that's really weird that it's sometimes just rebooting itself. Yeah, now it seems to be working fine. Alright, next game. Okay, there's a wave version. That's really bad. Oh yeah, that works better. Alright, so... Turbo mode! Yahoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! I knew that was going to happen, but nevertheless, I did it on purpose. Alright, so I used this Frankenstein to make this review. My experience combination with the N64 passport is not very good. It can be a problem with the thing itself, but as you can see, Mario Party 3 did boot up and the other two didn't do anything. I must say, I'm not a big fan of this. Maybe if you can use it on an original system, it doesn't have all of these problems, but still weird that NES did work. And overall, people, they try to trick us 80 games. It's just a bullshit because, man, I don't know. Do you want NES game on this thing? Okay, it's a fun addition, but we want an N64 multi-game card. This is what you're going to get. I'm done with this. I really like this card. It looks very cool, very nice for the collector, for the multi-game collector. Thank you for this. I leave a link in the description for Instagram because she's just showing the multi-game card collection over there. What I think, very important, people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.